So, good morning, students. Today, I am going to explain you about the season of on the earth. Why there is the change in the season on the earth. Previously, it was believed that the earth is closer to the sun in the summer and farthest from the sun in the winter. But this is only a myth. Myth means wrong conception, wrong belief. It is true that Earth's orbit is not a perfect circle. It is elliptical. Elliptical means it is tilted, somewhat tilted, थोड़ा सा झुका हुआ है. So there is different reason for Earth's season. Earth axis is an imaginary pole going right through the center of the Earth. There is an axis. You can see here you have seen or you have read in social science also that there is an imaginary pole which is passing through the center of the earth known as Earth's axis, and it is going through the center of the earth parallel to longitudes. Longitudes and latitudes are also there, which I think already clear to all of you because you have read in social science. Earth spins around this pole, making one complete turn each day, and Earth moves around this axis and complete its one turn, which is known as rotation of the Earth. And it takes 24 hours, that means one day, to complete one turn. And this is responsible, the rotation of the earth around its axis is responsible for day and night. Our earth has season because its axis does not stand up straight and is tilted on one side at 23.45 degree. It is tilted. Tilted means थोड़ा सा झुका हुआ है by the degree of 23.45 degree. As Earth orbits the Sun, as we all know that Earth orbits the Sun, that means it moves around the Sun. Sun is in the center, you can see in this figure, the Sun is in the center and the Earth or all the planets revolve around it. Revolve means it moves around it. So as Earth orbits the Sun, its tilted axis always points in the same direction. See here, the tilted axis, it points always in the same direction, and subsequently different areas of the Earth point towards or away from the Sun. See here, some part is towards the Sun and some is away from the Sun. At different times of the year. Around June 21, the North Pole is tilted towards the Sun. See here, June 21. It is written here 22, 21 or 22 June, solstice. It is where the North Pole is pointing towards or tilted towards the Sun, and the northern hemisphere gets more of the Sun direct rays, and this is why June, July and August are summer months in the northern hemisphere. At the same time, the southern hemisphere, see here, at the same time the southern hemisphere, the opposite side of the earth, that means the southern part always points away from the Sun, and that's why there is winter. Here you can see that the northern hemisphere, it is towards the Sun, so it will observe summer month, but just opposite part of that is the southern hemisphere, it is away from the Sun, and so there is winter season. At the same time, The southern hemisphere points away from the sun, creating winter during the months of July and August. Okay, it is completed. And when the south pole is tilted towards the sun and the northern hemisphere is tilted away. So, this solstice and which is observed during 22nd or 21st June, and just opposite side 22nd December solstice, that means it is pointing towards the sun. Then equinox 21st March and 23rd September. Thus, the angle that the Earth's axis of rotation makes with the direction perpendicular to the plane of the Earth's orbit around the Sun is called angle of inclination, and this is about 23.5 degree. Inclination would have been 0 if the Earth's axis was perpendicular to the plane of its orbit around the Sun. It is this tilt in the Earth's axis as well as revolution of the Earth around the Sun causes the occurrence of season on the Earth. So, season is caused due to the revolution of the Earth around the Sun. From 21st March to 23rd September, the northern hemisphere is closer to the Sun, so it is hotter than the southern hemisphere, which is farther away from the Sun. The reverse happens in the next half of the orbit. Just opposite to it happens in the next half of the orbit. And thus there is change of season on Earth. Summer 21st June, summer in the northern hemisphere, winter in the southern hemisphere. Then 23rd September, autumn in the northern hemisphere and spring in the southern hemisphere. Then 21st or 22nd December, winter in the northern hemisphere and summer in the southern hemisphere. And 21st March, spring in the northern hemisphere and autumn in the southern hemisphere.